Hello students and welcome to your Maths Online class. Dear students, in my last lecture, in my last video, I have explained you exercise 1.3. Yes, and I hope now all the questions related to exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 must be clear to you all. If not, then please go through the video explanation again and clear all your doubts related to these three exercises. And today I am explaining you the last exercise of chapter number 1, that is exercise 1.4. And in this exercise, the questions are related to Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals. Fine. So let's begin it. In question number first, we have to tell that we have to add the given values or subtract the given values to find the answer. Okay. See here. I'm beginning with the A part. It is LXV. L you know is 50, X you know is 10 and V you know is 5. So 50 is the greater value from these three, then X and then V. So whenever the greater value come first and after that smaller comes, smaller, smaller, like this if it continue, then in this case we do addition. Greater, smaller, smaller means addition. So here we will be adding it. L means 50, X means 10 and V means 5. So 50 plus 10, 60 plus 5, 65. So we will add it to find the value. Now see the B part. It is CD. So C means 100 and D means 500. Here you can see the smaller is coming firstly and then the greater is coming. So whenever this situation comes, smaller firstly and then greater, then in that case we do subtraction. See, obviously we will subtract the smaller value from the greater value. So this value of D will come first, 500 and then 100, and we have to subtract it. So 500 minus 100 will give you 400. So the answer is we will subtract it to find the value. Then C part, X, C. So X is 10 and C is 100. Again you can see smaller is coming first and then the greater is coming. So we will do subtraction in this C part also, like 100 minus 10, because C is 100 and X is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So we will subtract it to find the value. Then question number 2 is the number is given in Hindu-Arabic and we have to convert it into Roman numerals. So as I told you, firstly expand it. So after expanding 48, you will get 40 plus 8. And how to write 40? XL and then 8 V and 3 times I. So it is 48. Then 75, expand 70 plus 5. So 70 means, firstly you will write 50 L, then 2 times X, 50, 60, 70 and then V. So 75. Then next part is 90, and to write 90 you have to use XC as we have done here. See, XC. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So how to write 90? XC. Then 99. So expand it. So 90 plus 9. 90 I have told you here only XC. So firstly you will write XC, and 9 you know how to write 1 and then X means I and then letter X. 85. So 80 plus 5. 80 how you will write? Firstly you will write 50, that means L, then X, 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 so 80 and then 5, right? Then 41. 41 means 40 plus 1. Now how to write 40? 40 means 50 minus 10, 40. So how to write 50? 50 means L. And to subtract 10 from it, we will write the smaller value here before L. So XL. This will be 40 and 41, that means letter I. So XLI. Then 51. So 50 plus 1, you all know how to write 50. It is L and then 1, that means letter I. So LI. 26. So 20 plus 6. 20 means 2 times X, X, X and 6 you know V and 1. Then 19. 10 plus 9. 10 you know X and then 9, 1 and X. 100. 100 is very simple, you all know, it's C. Now question number 3, it is given in Roman numerals and we have to write it in Hindu-Arabic numeral. So see how we will do it. X means 10, again X, 10 and 1 and V, that means 4. So 10 plus 10 plus 4 is 24. Next, C means 100, L means 50, X means 10, then V I means 6. So 100, 50, 10, 6. So it will be 166 after adding all these. Then C part. It is CD, XL, then VI. So CD means 500 minus 100, 400. XL means 50 minus 10. So it is 40. And VI is 6. So 446 answer. Fine, students. Remember, whenever smaller value is coming before the bigger value, then it is subtraction. So CD is 500 minus 100 and XL is 50 minus 10. Fine. Next, LX, then 3 times I. So L is 50, X is 10 and it is 3. So it is 63. Then CL, I and V. So C is 100, L is 50, IV is 4. Okay. So 154. D, V, I. So D is 500, V is 5 and this is 6. So 506. Then D, C, X, V, I. So D is 500, C is 100 and 100. So it will be 200. X, V, I. So X is 10 and this is 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. After adding, you will get 716. Next, XL. So XL you know now. 50 minus 10 is 40 and V is 5. So 45. Next, I part. XX. So XX is 10 plus 10 and then this is 9 because 10 minus 1 is 9. So it is 29. Then next, J part. It is LXXX. So L is 50, XXX. 3 times X is coming. So 30 and IX. That means 9. So it will be 89. Then C, you all know it is 100, L is 50, I is 1, so 51. XL, so L is 50 and then X is coming before L, means smaller is coming before bigger. So subtraction, so 50 minus 10 will be 40. Then XC, again smaller is coming before bigger, so 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 2, so 92. M you know is 1000 and V is 5, so 1005. Then next, X means 10, V and then 2 times I. So 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. So 17 is the answer. Okay. Now, the next question is match the following, but I have not done like match the following. I have written the correct answer in front of the correct Roman numeral. So see, 10, 10, 10. It is 30, then 4. So it will be 34. CL. So C is 100, L is 50, then 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60 and then 6. So 166. Then M is 1000, C is 100 and this is 9. So 1109. Then CD. So CD is 400 because this is 500 and C is 100. So 500 minus 100 is 400. Then XL. So this is 50 and this is 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. And then 5 plus 1. So it will be 6. So 446. Next, L, 50, XXX. So 30, then 4. So 84. Then next, L, X. So 50, 10 and this is 9. So 50 plus 10, 60 plus 9, 69. Next, XL. So L is 50 and then X will be subtracted from L because this is smaller and this is greater. So 50 minus 10 will give you 40. Next, XC. So 100 minus 10, 90 and then 2. So 90 plus 2, 92. Okay, students. So this was your exercise 1.1. Now from my side, I have explained you each and every question of chapter number 1 from exercise 1.1 to 1.4. Please go through all my previous videos to clear all your doubts related to chapter number 1. And now in my next video, I will start explanation of all the exercises one by one of chapter number 2. Fine, students? So that's all for today's video. And now I will meet you in the next online class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you, students.